Welcome! I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, let's press the button on the right side of our device. Then we need to press and hold on the middle of the screen to open the watch face menu. And here we can scroll up and down. Oh, my bad. Like this, up and down to scroll through the list of watch faces. Find the watch face you like and tap on it to apply it, like this. You can also go to settings. To do it, swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Here scroll down, tap on the settings, and we have a dial option. Tap on it and it will bring you to watch face menu, and you can change your watch face right there. Let me try again, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.